Hey, I'm Justin Jones here at ETR Truck Center. Let's find out what's wrong with this 10-speed transmission.
At an idle, in neutral, you can hear this thing making a terrible sound. Let's crank it up. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's like a rattling, growling sound. You mash the clutch in, and the sound goes away. Let up on the clutch, and you can hear it making racket again. Same thing, mash the clutch down, sound goes away.
All right, let's skip forward a little bit and take a look down the transmission. If you're interested in rebuilding these units, I've got a great video on these. You should already see the damage that's taken place in this thing by now. Got two trashed rows of gears. This headset gearing is bad, and fifth gear right here as well is bad. So you got two whole rows that are bad in this thing, and that clunking sound is what's, at an idle, this thing is churning around, just spinning. You mash the clutch down and it stops it like it is now, and that's why the sound goes away. But there you go. Thanks for watching.